to another episode of Storytime with Elena. My name is Elena, and today we're going to read Don't Throw Tantrums at the Store with Bedoys by Christine Ha, illustrated by Eric Ha. Don't throw tantrums at the store, Royce Bedoys. Woohoo, story time! Yay! Today's story is called Don't Throw Tantrums at the Store, Royce Bedoys. We're going to the store! I'm so excited! They have toys, kids, gum, and everything! I want to sit in the car. No, Royce Bedoys. I want to stay on the side so you can push me. No, Royce Bedoys. Don't grab things without asking. I want the dinosaur toy. No, Royce Bedoys. I want it. I want it. Then can I have a soda? No, Royce Bedoys. Royce Bedoys, make a smart choice. Can you choose something for me? Yes, you can have gum. I love gum. The end. Click like and subscribe for more videos of Storytime with Elena. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share with your friends. Bye.